I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. In soybeans, they really started to rise today. They got up over 1040 after just Friday, getting a new low at 1010. The easing tensions of that China trade war has helped the market a little bit and kind of cooled some of the concerns by the traders. But the buyer interest appeared, after the U.S. crops were just like not targeted for part of what the China war was all about. But maybe these negotiations are going to ease that up to give us to get soybeans back on track, because it is still dry in Argentina, and we're expecting, as the numbers start to show up about their harvest, that it should help our markets for sure. And it seems that the market finally had a reasonably nice rebound after the fallout on Friday. And with the U.S. dollar index a little bit lower, we thought that it would help. And now the market has come down off its highs, but it's still staying, it's still staying a little bit above the market. I know that it went a little bit lower and then popped back in. So now it just lets us know that the traders are not really sure, and all eyes right now are really going to start looking at planting intentions. So let's look at the corn. That's also been mixed. The dry weather in Argentina has been helping that as well. And some of the corn started out a little bit better, and that was spillover buying from the soybeans. Now the corn is just a little bit lower, below the close on Friday, and it seems that we're going to get a little bit more back and forth, and that the signs of uncertainty, leave the markets vulnerable to more like consolidation or something like that. And that's what we expect to see right now. Even though we've kind of like given back some of our highs over the last couple of weeks, the market's starting to settle down somewhat. Even in the wheat was a little bit easier. It seems like the weakness in the market trend has been lower, and it's it started out slightly higher today, but then found some selling. The market really pushed it lower. Overall, we're staying in a range from about 450 to 465. We're holding in that, so that's some consolidation is building, and definitely all of last week stayed in that range, and we're staying in that range as well. So we're going to see today, even the Kansas City wheat took a little bit of a hit, was down 8 or 9 cents as well. But we're watching that because it's still dry in the U.S. plains, and those kind of maladies with the weather should definitely start to affect this market going forward. And now we're just watching for the report coming up on the planting intentions. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.